This is an interesting one. I hate my voice on camera, but I want a YouTube channel. What should I do?
Yeah.
I feel like that's a common thing I hear from everyone. That you just heard it from these two, that they hate the sound of their own voice when they're filming. And I hated the sound of my own voice when I first started, but starting my YouTube and trying to build that up was very important to me, so I didn't let that get in the way. I was terrible on camera at first.
I did a lot of jump cuts.
Take a look at my YouTube stuff. Eventually, you kind of get over it, get used to it, especially if you're trying to talk on or even do on something you just got to push through. There's no easy way to go about it. I think one step to get started is, do a dry run, do a run of you just talking about whatever content you want to do, whether it's a vlog or it's a tutorial, and don't post it, but just get used to the idea of you being in front of the camera and you hearing yourself when you edit, assuming that you're going to be editing this stuff by yourself.